Entelechy-16.0KWh Powerwall battery. MSDS-UN certified, wooden package, sturdy and safe. Has unique appearance design. Offers vertical installation and independent caster wheels. Smart BMS board safer, and more compatible. Can adapt to different solar inverters. Use the color LED touchscreen. The system defaults to English, but other languages can be customized as needed. Use brand new grade A lithium iron phosphate battery, more than 6,000 cycles. Built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth function, battery status can be viewed by the mobile application. Max 15 batteries in parallel. Each production process undergoes rigorous quality testing and aging after assembly, ensuring the reliability of the quality. Entelechy, power your life with green energy.